Monday, January 9th. I'm your host, Roma Villavicencio. How was everyone's weekend? Hopefully very relaxing. We thank you so much for tuning in this morning. While you may have relaxed over the weekend, right now we want to get you moving because it's National Choreographers Day and we have the right people here to celebrate this occasion. I want to welcome Danielle Ledesma here with DivaDance San Antonio. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi.
Thank you to all your fabulous dancers. Y'all, it's about to get real right now. So National Choreographers Day, how did you get into this and why did you start DivaDance San Antonio?
Oh, that's a great question. So basically I wanted a class that I wanted to take that was not intimidating, that was super inclusive and stress-free. You know, a lot of us aren't really dancers, but we love to dance. And so I wanted to create that space. So I brought the franchise to San Antonio almost 4 years ago now to create a stress-free, inclusive, awesome and fun experience where you learn a new routine every class, and it's broken down for all levels.
Wow, it sounds like, you know, you make it a comfortable setting, like someone like me. I love to dance on my own, but I don't know steps or the right moves. So I think that it seems like that's what people can expect when they go to your classes. Why do you love dancing so much? And why do you think it's good for people?
Yeah, definitely, because when we do choreography, it's not like the follow the leader style where you can kind of check out and still be thinking about that conversation from work or that list that's going to hit you when you leave the class. Here, you have to get into a flow state to learn the moves that are coming at you. So it really is like a moving meditation that's also sweaty and fun and to your favorite hits from Beyonce to Britney to Meg Thee Stallion to Drake.
Oh man, well, I love all those artists. I love that music. And right now, these ladies are gonna teach me how to move it. Oh, I'm a little nervous, but
you got it.
If we can get in position right now to get these steps going.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna put my pad down here, slide it over there. Okay, thank you for being with us.
Absolutely.
So
you ready?
I'm ready.
You got it. You got it.
And please don't judge me on these moves. Okay,
no
here we go.
So you're gonna start by feeling yourself.
Feeling
and a tap, tap.
Y'all, this is, okay, yes?
That was perfect.
All right.
1, 2, and a 3, 4 to go right, to go left, to throw the right, and throw the left.
Okay.
You better. That was good.
Okay. All
From
right.
here, you're gonna step
the toe,
right,
the toe. Step right.
and down. Pick a level. Pick a level that's comfortable for you.
Okay.
You got the skirt and everything. You're gonna bring it up and ha.
Wait, and ha.
You got it. And a hip, hip.
Hip, hip.
And a get it.
Get it.
Yes,
This was all for you guys are wonderful, great dancers. You've got the rhythm. I need to loosen up a little more. Maybe next time when I actually hopefully join you guys at some point. But I'm gonna let them do their thing right now to Beyonce's Crazy in Love. Thank you so much for being with us, ladies.
Good job, Roma.
All right, ladies, good job. Definitely 10 plus grade for me right there. But you know what? We want to introduce someone else right now to Great Day SA who's filling in for Paul Mireles. Maggie Laughlin, you were a former Commanders cheerleader, so I think this is kind of the energy for you as well.
Yes, you girls are bringing the energy over there, so thank you. Yes.
You should have joined us next time.
I should have. Maybe I will after the show. No, you guys did great. Roma, you did incredible as well.